Laptops are wonders of portability, but sometimes you need extra connection options, and that's where a docking station can help. Offering more ports for your laptop, a docking station also provides the convenience of a central place to plug in your ports. A docking station is also useful for hooking up monitors and other peripherals without having to fumble with adapters for your adapters. Number 5. ProBase Gen 2. One of my favorite laptop docks is the ProBase from MonitorMate, which made the brilliant design decision to use the dock as a base rather than offering it as a separate peripheral. The dock lifts your laptop so that it rests at eye level, saving you from hunching over. As a bonus, this dock boasts a sleek aluminum design, available in silver and gray. Here are the main features and specification of this product. Features: includes storage drawer, supports 4K display, connection type USB-C, ports USB 3.1 Gen 2, USB-C, Gigabit Ethernet, HDMI 4K, SD micro SD card. This product's customer review is 4 out of 5. Click the link in description. Number 4. USB 3.0 Dual 2K Docking Station. This docking station by Kensington offers excellent ergonomics. It stands vertically so it doesn't take up much room on your desk, and its subtle look keeps things neat. This USB-A dock works with many laptops. Of course, if your computer only has a USB-C port, then you can use it with a USB-C to USB-A cable. You can run dual displays with a resolution of up to 2048 by 1152 at 60 Hz. Here are the main features and specification of this product. Features: space-saving design, connection type USB-A, ports USB-A 2.0, USB-A 3.0, Gigabit Ethernet, HDMI 1.2, DVI, 3.5mm audio. This product's customer review is 4.4 out of 5. Click the link in description.
Hi there, this is Jenny from the Whole House Care team, chiming in to let you know that you may find the product you are looking for on Amazon's daily deals and save big. Check out the links below to see if you're lucky today.
Number 3. Thunderbolt 3 Dock Core. If you're looking for a dock that won't take up much space and sports the well-known Belkin brand name, the Thunderbolt 3 Dock Core is a great choice. Its compact size measures 3.9 by 3.9 by 1.2 inches and is a boon to those with limited space on their desks. And the dock core has upstream charging, which allows you to charge your laptop through the dock. Here are the main features and specification of this product. Features: compact size, supports 4K dual displays and pass-through charging. Connection type: USB-C Thunderbolt 3. Ports: USB-A 2.0, USB-A 3.2 Gen 2, USB-C, Gigabit Ethernet, HDMI 2.0, DisplayPort 1.4, 3.5mm audio. This product's customer review is 3.9 out of 5. Click the link in description. Number 2. USB-C 7-in-1 Hub. This tiny dock is small enough to fit in your pocket. While it doesn't offer all the connection capabilities of some larger models, when you're traveling, you'll have all the ports you'll need with this Lenovo hub. Here are the main features and specification of this product. Features: affordable, pocket-sized, connection type: USB-C, ports: USB-A 2.0, USB-A 3.1, USB-C, HDMI, Trans-Flash, SD card. This product's customer review is 4.5 out of 5. Click the link in description. Number 1. Thunderbolt 3 Dock Mini. To find docks well suited to particular uses, I pored over the features and specifications of numerous docks. This is an excellent dock for travel as it's small enough to fit easily in your carry-on. Still, it's got plenty of connections for hooking up displays with HDMI ports or tapping into wired internet with an Ethernet port. Here are the main features and specification of this product. Features: Supports 4K dual displays and pass-through charging. Small and lightweight. Connection type, USB-C Thunderbolt 3. Ports, USB-A 2.0, USB-A 3.0, Gigabit Ethernet, HDMI 4K. This product's customer review is 3.9 out of 5. Click the link in description.